Let's go.
Come, bro, come. Bro,
Is it that time?
please, close your eyes, close your eyes. Come, close your eyes. Are you ready?
What?
Open, please.
Hey, come on.
Bro.
You met Messi?
Bro, friend.
And Ronaldo? You met Messi and Ronaldo, bro?
Yes. Ronaldinho, Puyol.
The fuck? No. No.
Bro, Habib, your friend.
You met Khabib too?
Vinicius.
And Vinny?
Yes. And Sheikh of Dubai.
What?
And Aguero.
Ronaldinho?
And
The baby?
Smith. And bro,
Who was that?
Igazelia.
What? Bro, this dude met everybody. Oh my God. Where did you meet Ronaldo at?
In my restaurant, Dubai.
You did?
Dubai.
Damn. Chat, this is literally the best chef in the world, bro.
Yes, come bro, you try something.
Is that you? Chef Burak. Damn, that's the best chef in the world, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Chat, he might actually be the best chef in the world. Nah, he's actually goated. Oh my God, dog. Nah, you crazy, bro.
She's my mother.
Aw, W mom. Where's she at?
Hello, welcome. How are you? How are you?
This is you.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much,
Huh,
my
sorry,
son.
sorry.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
that's your son.
Yes.
He's like one of the best chefs in the world. W mom.
Also,
Chat.
she come back here because of you. She is in France. She know you.
Oh, really?
Here, yes.
We didn't sleep. Also, we
But
came
no
for
problem.
You.
We
Yes.
for you, bro.
Yes.
Aw.
Welcome. Most welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
W Turkey, chat. W Turkey, bro.
Try it.
Oh, damn! That bread hot. Damn.
This is
You can see the steam coming
Turkish
out.
traditional bread.
It is?
Yes. And
That shit hot. This bread, bro, like, did this bread just come out the oven? Which one the best sauce? That's my favorite sauce.
This is, yes.
That's my favorite sauce right here. So let's try the Turkish bread, chat. Oh yeah. Y'all not in? Bro, they not in. I keep telling them to eat and they not in. Y'all always tell me like, yo, feed, Henry, feed. But they not in.
Wait, what about Slips, huh?
Slip's not allowed to eat. Tomorrow, if I'm feeling like he can eat. Everybody subscribe in the chat.
bro, this is very sweet.
Is this a pickle?
Yes, yes. Exactly, it's a pickle.
Is this the?
Yes. We call it also pickle.
This is very sweet, like chocolate.
Ye ekşiyi çıkar Ayşe'ye hesabı. Bak turşu bizim meşhurdur.
Whew. That was very, damn. What's that?
This is anne, sen söyle. Bilmiyorum.
This is, we call it in Arabic kibbi. Kibbi inside. There is means, onion, garlic,
Okay.
like this.
Oh, that look good.
But very, very delicious.
Oh.
Taste it. But be careful, it must be hot. Hot. Be careful, hot. Hot, yes.
Water. Oh.
That was hard. Woo!
Very delicious.
That's good though.
Yes, very.
Chat, this is good. This is good. Oh, damn. This salad? What the hell is going on?
Koyabilirsin. Koy İsmail. Kalk. Bir dakika.
You will never forget us when you go.
I won't. What is?
İçine ne koyacaksın?
Şeye getireceksin şimdi. Baba sen şöyle
Fuck is this?
Yok öyle gelmez. Arkadaşlara bırak istersen.
Get the rice on fire.
Is that rice or ice?
Evet.
Abi müsaade et. Evet.
Oh!
Burak orkestra şaheser.
Güzel değil mi?
Şaheser.
Oh, hell no! Hey,
Yok yok yani.
how'd you do that? That don't burn? That don't burn? Whew. Yo, that shit good. That's actually good.
Abi su.
What?
Bu tarafıma gel.
Oh, hell, what is that?
This is magic.
Is that a genie wish?
Yes.
Yo. Turkey gotta have one of the best foods, bro.
Ya, Turkish kılıç.
Damn.
Yaman diğerini de ver. Onlar karışıyor.
Ooh, shit. Chat, look at this, bruh. This is crazy. This is insane.
Yemez ya.
And also you should
Speed,
test
do you like it?
Hell yeah. Let me wrap this though. Let me wrap that motherfucker.
Dünya üzerinde de var.
Let me dip this in some. What is that? Is that a dip?
Hummus.
That's a dip?
Hummus.
It's a kind of dip.
Dip,
This
yeah.
is a kind of dip.
Ooh, dip that in there.
Hep kendin yiyorsun ama. Kimseye yedirmiyorsun var. Hep
But this
kimseye
is very
yedirmiyorsun.
delicious.
That shit, bro, come on.
Abi sayı.
Come on, bro. That shit, oh, bro.
What do you think about this?
Good.
That's my favorite.
That dip in there is crazy. Bro, this Turkish, what is this called?
This is Turkish traditional kebab.
Oh, Turkish noodle.
Yes. Also we made it.
You made that?
Made in Turkey.
Oh, y'all made the kebab? What? I did not know Turkey made kebab. Chad, a Turkish kebab is low-key better than a doner.
This for you.
That's Iran?
Yes.
All right, Chad, let's try Iran from Turkey.
Yogurt.
Speed.
Like a yogurt drink.
This is good. It tastes like yogurt a little bit. It is good. I fuck with it. Wait, cat milk. This is cat milk?
No bro. This.
Whoa!
No, put.
Bro, salt?
Bro, you need to put salt, bro. Please, bro.
Salt and...
Bro, trust me.
No.
Bro, trust me. Okay, now. You try now, bro.
Bro, I don't...
This is my traditional drink. I know how I drink.
Tastes nice.
So, like ya. Beğenecek ben.
Oh.
Ya. Gördün mü?
Come
Okay.
on, bro.
Okay.
Hadi hazır mıyız?
Okay. It does make it like a bit more like tingier.
Eat more.
Oh, no, that look good. What's this?
This is mixed grill.
Mixed grill.
You eat it with spoon.
Oh my God. Chat. That chicken is so good. That chicken is so good.
But also, I am very nice sing.
All right, let me hear you.
Kaç kadeh kırıldı sarhoş gönlümde, bir türlü kendimi avutamadım. Kaç gece ağladım böyle gizlice, ne yaptım da seni unutamam.
Hey!
What? Use more. Kim bilir kimler var şimdi kalbimde. Ben seni çoktan sildim belki de. Sen hala yaşarsın o eski günlerde. Her şeyde sen varsın, unutamam.
All right. God,
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
that was amazing.
Can I say one more?
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
It's enough for now.
Harika.
What the hell? I'm pretty sure everybody in the chat can sing better than that.
I watched your video before in the car.
Huh?
Some guy tell you baklava originally from Greek.
Yeah, that's what they said.
This is big mistake. Baklava original Turkey, brother. This one.
So baklava is from Turkey?
Yes.
So it was made in Turkey.
Made in Turkey 100%, bro. No grease. Original from Turkey, bro. Baklava.
Oh.
Come down, little down. And you can eat baklava like this, bro. I will teach you. You can use like this, bro. And like this, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yalnız karın kasların gider, haberin olsun. Öyle baklava yiyorsun ama baklavalar gider.
Your muscles in danger, he said.
Bro. Abi, gel bak abi. Hadi. Servis yapın bro. Hadi.
Bro. I don't know what is baklava. It's that as the best dessert ever. It's not too sweet, but it's sweet and it's so exotic.
This is for our tradition.
Oh!
He's very sweet, man.
Bro. Joke. Turkish joke. Joke, bro. Turkish joke.
Stop fucking playing!
Bro, empty.
Oh my God, my heart dropped to my ass, bro. Oh my God.
You was faster than the water.
Oh my God.
Burak aklını aldı.
Are you okay? This is for our traditional joke, right?
Yes.
Explain that.
This is a traditional joke, man.
Oh my
He
God.
does it to every customer he
Yes.
comes. Everybody.
Also, I made this Ronaldo.
You did?
Yes, I did in Dubai.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Bro, but he was really fast, man.
Oh
The
my
water
God.
didn't even catch you, man, if there was water inside.
Oh my God.
If somebody is important for us and if we like him, we do jokes like this. So this is like a
All right, bro.
sign of
You got
sign
me.
of love.
You got
Bro,
me.
also,
This is a sign of
last thing.
yeah.
You are sweet, right?
Yes.
But I will tell you, when I cut, I am more speed than you.
Oh.
Come, I will show you. Come,
So
last.
he's faster than you.
Here we go, bro.
Come on.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yep. I can do that, chat. I can do that. I can do that. What the hell is he doing? is he okay? He's not even looking. Bro, he's not even looking. What the fuck? Bro, is he okay? What the hell? Bro, what just happened to him? Okay, okay. Bro, how do I stop him? Chill, bro. Chill. Chill, you good, you good. Chill out. The fuck? Damn, you just got a village worth of ice. How the fuck? Okay, my turn.
Okay,
turn.
okay. Oh.
My turn.
Okay, but be careful, bro. Please, be careful, bro. Yes, bro. Very dangerous. Huh? No, bro.
Bro, biraz.
Your gloves on. Hey!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Bro. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Bro, bro. Bro, please. Okay, okay, bro. Okay, nice. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Bro, you are the best.
W's.
Thank you, bro.
So did I try everything?
Yes.
I tried everything.
Yes.
W's in the chat, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
W's in the chat, man.
Thank you, bro.
W's in the chat. W Turkey in the chat, bro. Chat, Turkey really treats me like his home, bro. Like his second home.
After when you come, I take your picture here.
Yes, you gotta put me on the wall now, bro.
Yes.
You gotta put me on the wall now.
Yes.
Put me right next to Ronaldo.
Okay.
Right next to Ronaldo, bro.
Okay, bro.
You got to.
Okay.
You got to, man. All right, bro.
Annem çağır. Thank you, bro. Thank you. My mother say bye to you.
Oh, bye, mom.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Mwah.
Again,
thank
we
you.
are waiting you.
Okay.
Very soon.
Thank you. Really,
Thank
we
your
love
family
you,
also.
and we love your energy. You know.
Thank you. Chat
bro.
W Turkey, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, y'all.
Here, your second home, bro.
All right.
Thank you.